If you want to build a billion-dollar company, kopyahin mo to. Alam mo ba kung bakit billion-dollar company ang Coke? It's because they are in the subscription business. Ito yung hindi alam ng karamihan. The biggest companies in the world are all in the repeat order business. Meron kasi dalawang klaseng subscription business na kailangan mong malaman, no? Number one is what we call recurring business. Ito yung fixed na binabayaran mo buwan-buwan, gaya ng Netflix o ng internet bill mo. Second is what I call the reoccurring business. Ito naman yung mga consumables. Hindi ka nakasubscribe sa papel pero dahil sa trigger, napabili ka ulit. Example nito is Coke, toothpaste, sabon. Hindi mo na mamalayan pero you are paying them every day, every week at every month. At dahil dito, nagiging predictable ang business nila. Dahil alam nila na iinom ka ng Coke weekly o kahit daily sa loob ng iyong lifetime. So, here's the lesson. Hindi ka yayaman sa kakahanap ng bagong customer. Yayaman ka when your customers buy again and again. Tawag nito is customer lifetime value. Kapag mataas ang lifetime value ng bawat client mo, magiging compounding ang growth ng negosyo mo. Kaya if you want to build a billion-dollar company, create a business model or offer that customers don't stop paying. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.